The time is 6:44. Let's check your weather on the fours with meteorologist Nate Larsen in for Thomas. Nate, we'll need to hold on to your hat today.
Yeah, it's going to be a windy day across the Beehive State. So here's a quick check. This is the Moab area. It's pretty quiet so far. Haven't quite seen the winds pop up, at least on this particular webcam. We're starting to see a little bit of light, though, some first light. We're still about an hour and 10 minutes away from sunrise, but a beautiful shot this morning from the Red Cliffs Lodge. Stars are out across this east central part of the state. Clouds increasing and winds across the Salt Lake Valley this morning. Temperatures very mild statewide as we do have southwest flow in place. Turk mentioned the bad hair day or hang on to your hat day, as we do have actually some wind advisories. We talked about some of the warnings that are posted for the western part of the state, the wind advisory for the Salt Lake Valley, including the northern Wasatch Front, and moisture arriving with some of the changes by tomorrow. So, in fact, really good chance, 90% chance. Plan on rain tomorrow, if not a wintry mix by Wednesday evening. Maybe even just a few snowflakes Thursday morning as temperatures are cold enough. Should see snow levels drop down to the valley floor, at least temporarily. And then Friday, no chance of moisture, but it increases again over the weekend as a few storms graze us. So active weather setting up into next week. So nice to kick off November in an active way. So winter alerts. In fact, we're talking about winter storms and winter weather advisories for the areas associated in purple. Northern mountains getting in on some of the moisture earlier on. Starts at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Otherwise noon Wednesday into 6 a.m. Thursday for the central southern mountain areas. And anywhere from 6 to 12 inches for the Cottonwoods, the high Uintas, northern mountains 4 to 8 inches. Otherwise several inches in the mountain valleys and 8 to 16 inches across the south and central mountains. So good news there. Futurecast putting it into motion. We do have clouds in place today with the southwest flow. Winds really increasing, especially this afternoon. In fact, the wind advisory starts at noon and goes until Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some wind advisories issued for the southeastern part of the state tomorrow afternoon into Thursday, as that's where the wind's going to end up migrating to. So 3 o'clock overnight, so some showers into Wednesday morning up north. Snow in the higher elevations, rain in the valleys. Snow starting to spread south as we get into the afternoon and evening. This is 6 o'clock on Wednesday. And we'll continue to see some snow showers over the mountain areas. We get a bit of a reinforcing trough moving down from the south into Thursday, keeping some showers going across the northern part of the state as well. St. George then 71 to 62 today, tomorrow. Windy conditions, rain. Best chance of it's going to be on Thursday. 53 for the high, 55 on Friday, upper 50s on Saturday. Sunny skies returning down south. Hey, we fall back overnight Sunday into the early morning hours as, of course, daylight saving comes to an end. We'll be breezy again, partly cloudy Monday, mid-60s down south. Northern Utah, mid-60s to upper 60s today with the wind. Blowing dust can be a concern with some of the winds today, especially with how strong some of the wind speeds are. Wind gusts up to 55 miles an hour. Could even cause a little bit of property damage. So some very strong winds today. Rain, snow showers Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures fall to 44 for the high Thursday after 34 on Thursday morning. So there's our chance of a little bit of snow in the valley. Very cold as the storm exits into Friday, just upper 20s for overnight lows. And we should be rebounding back into the 50s over the weekend. Chance of some showers continuing into early next week as well.